Good morning everyone. Coffee time in the morning. Coffee in the morning. Sarap mag-coffee sa morning lalo na pag masama ang panahon. Coffee time. Coffee time. Bahaw sa loob ng baso kulinagay. Masarap guys. Ito na ang ginawa ko. Pandesal. Bahaw with coffee. Sarap guys. Sarap ang coffee with bahaw. Sarap guys. Sarap ng bahaw at saka guys. Yan. Sarap uminom ng kape. Try nyo po. Bahaw, lagyan ng kanin sa loob ng baso at saka with coffee. Masarap guys. Shout out everyone. Shout out sa lahat. Thank you for watching my video habang nag-iinom ng kape. Salamat guys and God bless. God bless. Ayan, coffee. Masarap. With bahaw sa loob ng coffee. Kanin. Sarap. Thank you for watching.